Hello out there. This is Mr. Corcoran with a whole bunch of random number generators. Oh, you think those are dice? No, no, no. These are not dice. For math, they're random number generators. These are tools. So here's how you use these tools. Today, Lucia was battling Mr. Corcoran, and for a while, Lucia was in the lead, but that right there, this 4x6 product, that's what helped me pull ahead in the contest. So to begin, you need 2 dice. The first die that you need is this is a 4-sided. Remember I called it first I called it a triangle, but it's not a triangle, it's a prism. So it's a 4-sided and then times 6-sided, right? 4-sided times 6-sided. Same thing here. Okay, I'm going to put these other sided dice away for now. I'm going to focus on the yellow die and the white die. I'm going to roll them together using our paint tins, Trixie's old dog food tins, and the sound dampener. So this is a 4 times a 3. 4 times 3, so it would be here, if this were a real game and not just an example. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to fill it in with one color and outline it. I'm going to do the perimeter. So the perimeter is a different color. And it's also, I'm going to do the perimeter and the product in one color. So what I say, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. So I'm going to call player A, which is, I think that's, yeah, Lucia's side is player A. Player A has a product of 12. Player B, who is also using 4-sided and 6-sided, now they are going to roll. Let's see what I get on this side. All right, I have 5. Oh, see that? I got excited with 5, but that's only 5 times 1. That's not very good at all. And I joked with my my opponent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I joked with them and I said, make it look tall, because optical illusion, it looks taller. Yeah, it looks like it's more if it's standing up as opposed to laying down. All right, so that I said is 5. Okay. So far the difference is 7. I've got some catching up to do. Oh, I meant to do, whoopsie. Here, I meant to do black and red, gray, and green. All right, second roll. 5 times 3? All right, so I already have this 3 over here, so I could do these 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, if you are doing this at home, you should do, I highly recommend colored pencil or just a regular graphite pencil. And then once you're sure that you have, like if I did 5 times 3 is 10, which it's not, but 5 times 3 is 15. All right, so now it's 27 to 5. So Lucia's winning by, or player A, who's Lucia's color, they're winning by 22 over player B. Come on, big number. Big number, come on. What do we got? Oh, 6, that's helpful. Okay, 6 times 2. That's something. It's better than what I had. All right, green, so 6. Well, that's 5, so I can just go up one more. 6 times 2. Okay, 12. Which is interesting, right? Because I'm noticing how I colored 6 times 2 vertically. And then when I drew this 3 times 4, which is the same number, I'm just noticing it looks different. So what is that? It's 2 times 6 is 12. That's a little hard to read. I might do black there also. So this is essentially it. You're expected to do 20 rounds and 20 rounds, so that's 40. And after you do 20 rounds, you should notice something. You should notice the numbers that the numbers that you're writing. You should notice the shapes that you're creating. They should all be rectangles, long, narrow rectangles, wide rectangles. Some of them might be squares. My colleague over here, we only rolled one square number, and it's number 9 right there. Number 9 is a square number. And we're gonna, you might roll some square numbers. 9 is a square number, 1 is a square number, 4 is a square number, not 10. 10's not a square number. So yeah, that's it. So do 20 rounds of that. Aloha. Au revoir.